Hi everyone, I'm Chris Phillips here with a quick weather update tracking the snow and the rain moving through the area. Heavier band of snow activity now moving into portions of western Indiana, southwestern Indiana. This will be moving off towards the northeast over the next little bit. Let me put it back into loop here for you. We'll kind of zoom in and show you a few locations. Jasper, Paoli, Marengo, into portions of Tell City, Corden. You could be seeing some of that sleet or heavy snow right now moving in your region. We've also had several reports of flurry activity up around the Cincinnati area, Bright area, Brooksville, Batesville, Hamilton, Oxford, all seeing some light snow shower activity. Snowfall accumulations of anywhere from 1 to 2 inches has occurred into portions of central Indiana, but the bulk of moisture as we go on here through the evening hours, it's going to be in a belt basically from Paducah up to Louisville to Cincinnati. Anybody circled in this red area has the potential to see several inches of snow. We'll talk about accumulations in just a few seconds, but I do want to show you that the areas under the winter storm warning first, and we'll load that up here on the screen for you. The warnings currently include Jackson, Jennings, Clark, Floyd, Harrison, Crawford, Orange, Dearborn, Ripley, Ohio, Switzerland, and Franklin counties in Indiana. In Kentucky, Trimble, Carroll, Gallatin, Boone, Kenton, and Campbell counties in Kentucky. And then we just have a few counties in southwest Ohio, including Adams, Brown, Claremont, Hamilton County, and Butler County as well, under that winter storm warning. And I'll show you one more system here that we have, and it's our MPing report. And basically, that's going to show us what's falling in precipitation around the area. And I'll zoom in here for you. Right now, we've been seeing some reports of some mixture of sleet and freezing rain, even some snow in portions of Boone County. It's been mainly wet into portions of Campbell, Kenton, Hamilton, and portions of Brown County right now. We've also seen a few reports in the far northwestern portions of the area, in the Brookville area, Union, Fayette counties, up towards Richmond has been seeing some of that snow activity. Also seeing a mixture of activity around the Louisville metro area now into Floyd County, portions of Clark County, and Washington County. Even some reports around the Madison area as well. Looks like of some rain and snow falling. So this is a very helpful tool for us to help better show what's falling in what area around the region. Now here's a look at snowfall totals as we go on here in towards the overnight hours and through tomorrow. It looks like anywhere from let me see if we can load that up there. There we go. So anywhere from 4 to 8 inches in that dark blue area. Everywhere else 2 to 4 inches. Lexington and towards portions of southeastern Kentucky where it's going to be mainly rain. I think anywhere less than an inch to up to 2 inches, I want to say, in those locations. So I've adjusted things just a little bit because of the more of the heavier precip up into portions of central Indiana, and where I think the main focus as we go on towards the evening hours and overnight hours is going to be basically right in here from Louisville and points north and that belt right along the Ohio River. That's where we're going to see the potential for 4 to 8 inches of snow. I think 8 inches is quite a bit. I don't know if we'll hit that, but most places anywhere from 4, 5, and even 6 inches of snow by the time it's all said and done by noon tomorrow. So quite a bit of snow going to be moving in towards the area. One more look here at radar, and I'm going to put this view on loop for you so you can kind of see the projection of where everything's headed. This is moving basically right up the Ohio River from Arkansas, and this is just going to be a stream that just continues through the overnight hours. So very heavy snow even embedded into some of this. I can even zoom in here for you really quick. This is in portions of Arkansas right now. Very heavy snow, and that'll be moving up in towards the Ohio Valley area as we move in towards the evening hours. One more local radar view for you, and you can see the light shower, light mixture of precip continuing around Cincinnati, but the bulk of snow is starting to move its way in. It's now crossing portions of I-65, and we'll start to see those reports fly up of snow moving in towards the tri-state. That's a quick update, not really quick. I try to bring it down a little bit, but we'll continue to keep you updated here through the evening hours with more.